Sometimes you gotta get out. It's the only way to get the I'm on some dental floors. Funny when she hit a metaphor.
Some niggas can say I changed on them because I thought they was
today we will be sneaking into a BMW only meet. This is probably the most legit BMW only meet I've ever been to, alright? This is being hosted at a BMW dealership and it is a cars and coffee. So we will be attempting to sneak our newly lowered and loud Q50 RS into this meet, bro. I am so excited. I don't think anybody's gonna care because, you know, BMWs are all high end and stuff like that. And this is really like a competitor, if you want me to be honest, though. Oh shoot, it's auto downshifting like that? Okay. I did not know it does that. We're gonna be in straight up territory. We gotta do temperature checks everywhere. Make sure everybody good. Make sure, you know what I'm saying, ain't no nigga looking at us funny or all types of stuff, bro. Nah, I'm just playing. The meet probably just started and I'm probably like 30-40 minutes away from it. So I'll probably be there a little late, but it's all good. I'm gonna go get something to eat. And I'll pick the camera back up when I'm on the way.
Hoes keep calling, I keep balling, yeah. She gon' give me brain, yeah, she a scholar, yeah. Hey, so that bitch I'm all up on my.
We about to pull up to the meet right now and see if it's actually worth it. Sometimes bro, I ain't gonna lie, Georgia meets definitely be worth it. I mean, definitely be iffy sometimes, you feel me? Like in the morning, it's more worth it than the night meets. The night meets be too ghetto. You know what I'm saying? There be some good night meets though. Don't get me wrong, but it's just a demographic that you just don't want to be around, bro. The Hellcat guys. Sometimes, bro, the Hellcat, they be ruining stuff. I'm gonna keep it a bean, bro. They too ghetto, bro. That's just what it is, bro. The Mopar dudes, bro. All types of, and just American muscles, bro. For real. You just gotta, I don't know, bro. You guys can see I still can't hook, bro.
In 800 feet, turn left.
Oh yeah, they're oh my god. Hell, I'm definitely not getting in this shit, bro.
Turn left, then turn left.
Oh my goodness. Who the fuck is getting in that? Not me! Oh, we gotta try though. We gotta at least try though.
Hey buddy, you spectating?
Yeah.
Alright, cool man. Just go down here, take the second left, look for guys dressed just like me, they'll tell you where to go.
Alright, bet. Fuck. No, my biggest weakness, bro. Oh my god. He said the second left. Look for guys just like him. Look for guys just like him. But we're literally spectating. We're in a BMW only. This is crazy. Oh my god. They'll tell me where to park. Yo, this shit, it's tough though. Oh my goodness. Where the fuck do I go, bro? There's absolutely nowhere to park over here. Let's go this way. I don't want to get trapped. Because I definitely gotta leave now. No, we can't park with the regular traffic, bro. Please, man, please, man. Please, man, please. No, we can't do it, bro. We can't do it. Ooh, that's a clean ass Porsche though. Oh my goodness, this Porsche is clean. It's like the rear line, I guess. So we're definitely sneaking in right now. We're gonna go through the back to get into the meet. All right, we're going through the back to get into the fuck. Oh, wait, did they block it off? Is it blocked off? No, it's not. It's not blocked off. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm literally sneaking in. Yo. Oh my god, we're in. Unless someone says something else. Oh my goodness. I can't get trapped though. Oh my god, I have a feeling I'm gonna get trapped. I have a huge feeling I'm gonna get trapped, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. We just snuck into a BMW only me. I'm not in, but I'm in. Like, I'm not in, but I'm in. Oh my god. Oh my, alright, we parked up now. Oh my goodness. Here's a better look at the Fitment though. Jeez, brother. Fitment go crazy. Oh my goodness. On this side, it's kind of lowered a little bit, probably. Yeah, 100%. Definitely a little lower. But yeah, let's check out what's over here. Is this F82 on Meisters? On Meisters? Oh my goodness. Yo. Fitment, you know, a little spacer could be different. Bro, this is tough, bro. No cap. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, you know this fast boy. Fast boy. Look at them tires, bro. Ain't that, you see that turbo peaking, bro? I see you, bro. Big boy, fast boy, bro. Finna go crazy too, bro. Yeah, that's a big boy. Oh my goodness. Love it, bro. Love it. I see you, big boy, front mount intakes, brother. I see you. Whoa. I ain't gonna lie, bro. The bronze lip with the black face goes absolutely crazy, bro. Like, it goes stupid. Bro, this is a really nice spec BBS, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I never saw this on a gray car, bro. I never saw this wheel ever, bro. This is a really good spec, bro. I like it. And it's like really unique. You don't see anybody with rocking bronze wheels that often. And if you do, like, bro, you gotta be right. But this definitely hits, bro, for sure. Big boy turbo, single turbo, F80. I see you, bro. On the Meisties. Yes sir. Right from Jamaica as well. You feel me? All right, I had to move, guys. I'm telling y'all, 1000%. I was definitely going to get trapped. Okay. 100% get trapped, and I couldn't put up with that. Asking people around, hey, you know who car this is? Do you know who car this is? All right, so we parked up now, so I can see. Jeez, bro, the Fitment on the Cube, bro, I just can't stop looking at it, bro. Oh my goodness, bro, this shit is fucking crazy. Yo, perfect Fitment in the back, bro. It can't get any better than that, bro, without no rubbing or anything like that. Jeez.
Gotta put in just get it with your Porsche. This shit is expensive, my outfit costs a fortune. Shawty need a sponsor, ain't doing no endorse.
It's a fake, what do they call that edition? GTS. Yeah, it's fake GTS or a real GTS. I just think it's unlikely.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
I'm in that bitch, I'm too late. I'm a die lead. I got an AK, big ass stick. Fuck get hit, you know that I'm pushing up. You know that I'm booted up. My shot it be booted up, riding that tanker truck. These bitches don't give a fuck. They fucking on Claudia.
Yo, there really is a lot to cover. I'm not gonna lie, it is kind of repetitive to say the same thing over and over. But bro, it's just a lot. You know I'm a Beamer guy at heart, y'all. Y'all know it. Beamers. Are they all? Oh no, they're not all big boy turbos. Bro, you see what I'm talking about? What is going on over there? Oh no, so